In a sunlit shop, a team aims to turn a stock SUV into a desert endurance leviathan blending power and reliability. They dissect the chassis swap in a lighter cage and tune suspension while narrating shocks, sway bars, and airflow. A stubborn brake fade on a grueling climb forces a redesign of cooling ducts and a switch to ceramic rotors under pressure. Engineers share hard lessons from misfires and breakthroughs, while data logs and rapid prototyping speed the build. In the finale, the crew unveils the finished monster and celebrates teamwork, safety, and the joy of pushing limits.